Okay, so this says find the missing length of the right triangle. What we're missing is right here. Okay, and if you notice, this is your right angle. So this is a leg and this is a leg, and we are missing a hypotenuse. You can start with the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I'm just putting it in the calculator so you can see it because it's a lot easier to type than it is to write. So if you're going to solve it the long way, I'm going to go ahead, like I said, and use my calculator as my scratch paper. You would do 85 squared plus 150 squared, and you would equal 2975, and that's your c squared. So to get the answer, you would take the square root of what you got, which is 172.4, which makes sense because that has to be the longest side. Okay? So that's how you do that. If you're missing, or I'm going to come back over here to the calculator. If you've got a right triangle and you have two legs, you can solve it either the long way by doing this and then taking the square root, or you can take the square root of leg squared plus leg squared, and that will give you the hypotenuse. Okay, that will equal the hypotenuse. So let me type that just so you can look at it. That will equal the hypotenuse. All right. Or if you have a hypotenuse in a leg, you have to start with the hypotenuse squared, and then you have to subtract the other leg squared, and then that will give you the other leg. So if you have two legs, you add. If you have a hypotenuse in a leg, you subtract. Okay?